6. In mitosis, there is no pairing of homologous chromosomes. 7. There is no exchange of DNA, crossing. 8. The centromeres split during anaphase. 9. The genotype of the daughter cells is identical to that of the mother cells. X. After mitosis, each daughter cell has exactly same DNA strands. Meiosis. I. Meiosis takes place within gamete cells, sex cells. 2. Two divisions of the mother cell result in 4 meiotic products or haploid gametes. 3. A meiotic mother cell is always diploid. 4. The meiotic products contain a haploid, N, number of chromosomes in contrast to the 2n number of chromosomes in mother cell. V. In meiosis, only meiosis I is preceded by a S phase. 6. During prophase I, complete pairing of all homologous chromosomes takes place. 7. There is at least one crossing over or DNA exchange per homologous pair of chromosomes. 8. The centromeres do separate during anaphase II, but not during anaphase I9. Meiotic products differ in their genotype from the mother cell. X. After meiosis, each daughter cell has only half of the DNA strands.